All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam, and I am here at my shop. It is Saturday early afternoon, and yeah, looking around, just trying to figure out where to even start. I've got a lot of work to do, and got some new additions coming to the shop this following week. I will post a video on that. Kind of excited about that. But for right now, I need to get some stuff done, get some stuff moved around, make this place more usable, and try to get some projects knocked out. So let's just see what we can get done. I got to run, take the little guy to urgent care. Think he's got some strep, so that's fun. But before we do that, I'm going to try to get some rearranging done, try to make a little sense of this mess. So stick around, see what's coming. So first thing I'm going to do is I got to get some paint on this railing I built. Love having the shop. Love being able to weld and make a mess down here and not have to worry about dragging it through the house. So yeah, this was just kind of a spur of the moment. I needed a railing, and I think it turned out really well. So we're going to stick some primer on it and then try to address some of that. So I need a better workflow. We got the Jeep over there. It's getting worked on. I've got woodworking tools over here, scrap, trash, mess over here. Got the welding stuff over here. Got all this storage that's not being used. Got my toolbox over there. Forklift over here. So yeah, I need to make some better use of the space, and I'm going to try to do a little bit of that today. So if you got any suggestions, feel free to let me know. I think I'm going to try to get the welding stuff over to this side of the shop and woodworking stuff more over here. So let's see how far we can go. Let's get this painted first, though. Okay, guys, back from the doctor. It is not strep throat, so good and bad. I guess it's just the flu. Unfortunately, they can't give him anything. So I am back here at the shop. Does it ever feel like it's, one step forward, two steps back? Because that's definitely how it feels today. It's been pouring all day long. I got a lot of trash, but don't want to really haul that in the rain. And bringing new stuff in means we got to get some room somehow. So rather than move crap around, I feel like need to actually get some stuff placed. And so I have these cabinets right here. They were stacked in that corner next to the couch. And I think we're going to just finally set them where they're supposed to go. And these were free cabinets so that, I can make use of. So it's going to be a little desk area. And yeah, I think it's going to be nice. But if I get them where they're supposed to go, that alleviates some room. And I don't know, hopefully helps out. So let's build a couple little walls and try to set some cabinets. All right, guys, it is 7 o'clock now, so I am going to call it a night. And it may not look like it, but I feel like it was a pretty productive day. We're going to get cabinets and a wall built over there tomorrow. Got to get some 2x4s in and kind of get stuff set where it's going to go. And then we don't have to worry about moving it around 10 times. And I think that'll be some good progress. But before I leave tonight, we've got this primed, this railing. We're going to put a coat of paint on it. And I mean, this is what needs to be done. So we're going to get this done tonight and get back at it tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to do some work down here. Going to install a fireplace and drill some handles at a rental property. And yeah, see what we can get done. So if you've made it this far, appreciate you watching. And we're going to have some more videos and hopefully make a little more progress. So thanks for watching.